Hey, how's it going? Seth here, and I've got some huge news for you today. It's probably the most exciting thing I've ever gotten to talk about since we launched Stride CRM last year. So Stride just rolled out an AI website builder inside the CRM, and it completely eliminates the need for a bunch of other tools that most people think they need. If you still think building a website requires WordPress and plugins and hosting and a bunch of other tech headaches, I'm going to tell you right now, that's officially outdated. That's the way that building websites worked for years. It's not how it has to work anymore. I'm going to show you a few examples of how to build a fully functional website inside your CRM in minutes. And honestly, I really don't know how it can get much easier than this. It's truly mind-blowing, and I think you'll agree with me once you see this. So if you're a current user of Stride, and if you're not, you might want to check it out, especially after you see this. You're going to see this thing over here called AI Studio. Go ahead and click on that. And the first thing you're going to see here is an interface that might look kind of familiar if you've ever used Lovable. And if you have no idea what Lovable is, I made a separate video about this a couple months ago. Go check it out. But Lovable is basically like the easiest AI website builder to use ever. Does an amazing job. And this basically is Lovable now, built into Stride CRM. It's not called that, but in terms of just functionality and what it does, it's pretty much the same thing. It even looks eerily similar. So if you want to get started building your first website, all you have to do is just tell it what you want it to build for you. Think of this as if you just hired a high-end website developer, and what would you tell them if you wanted to communicate what you want to build? Literally say that exact same thing here. You don't need to know one line of code. You don't need to have any technical knowledge about anything. As long as you can just articulate what you want and feed that into here and hit enter, it'll do it for you. So here's an example here. Let's say I want to build a land selling website. I'll just say, hey, build me a real estate website for listing and selling vacant land parcels. The company name should be XYZ Land Co., and it should have beautiful land imagery and a neatly organized menu of property listings that I can click on. Pretty straightforward. In fact, I don't even have to say it like this. I can just say it however I want. But just to give you an example, let's hit enter, and we will let it go to work. And I'll just say that in my experience, I've seen it build websites as fast as about 60 seconds. Sometimes it takes up to like 5 or 10 minutes long. And the time is not really that important. What really matters is that the website actually looks good and is fully functional when it's done. So I'm going to just let this go to work. And while I do this, I'm going to show you some other just random examples that I built when I was trying to test this thing out and see how it worked. So let's go ahead and go back here and let's click on this one for land acquisition. So the original prompt I gave it was I just said, hey, build me a website for buying vacant land. Include a space for a submission form where landowners can find the website and submit the information for the property they want to sell. You know, kind of see what I get at. And this is what I made. Go ahead and scroll down. I mean, this thing is very basic, but it's very beautiful. It made this in a matter of minutes. And guess what? I don't have to pay $50 or $100 per month for this thing, because with Stride, you can host one website or 1,000 websites, and it doesn't add a single penny to the cost of your monthly subscription. It's part of what you get when you pay for Stride. You will have to pay for whatever domain you buy. That's not included, but once you have that, the hosting is covered. There's really no limit to this. And another beautiful thing about this that makes it different is that everything lives inside your CRM. So instead of duct taping tools together with webhooks and Zapier and your website and all this stuff, it's all in one place. Like any leads that get submitted here, they go right into your CRM because it's part of your CRM. Pretty cool, huh? Now, this is a pretty basic example. I've made a couple other videos showing how to do a similar kind of thing in the past, but I just want to show you some other cool use cases here. Not because I'm telling you to do this, I just want to show you what this is capable of. So this right here, the Winning Agent Pro 2 WordPress theme. I promoted this thing and I used it for many, many years because it was a super solid theme, does a great job. But remember, this is the old world. We don't need to work like this anymore. We don't have to buy themes. We don't need to use a drag and drop editor. And we definitely don't need to know how to code this stuff. We just have to be able to say what we want and articulate that and tell it to fix it when it gets us wrong. But the thing I want to show you here is, this is a nice looking theme. And again, not saying you should do this. You should never copy or rip off somebody else's work. Please don't do that. But one thing you could do, let's say we just like the look and feel of this. Like we like the fonts, or we like the layout, or the color scheme, or whatever. We scroll down the page, we like something else about it. So one thing we could do is we could grab a screenshot of this on a Mac. I could do Command-Shift-4 and then, draw a box around this and get a screenshot of the thing. And then go over here and attach that screenshot and say, hey, I want to build a website that has a similar look and feel to the attached screenshot. Can you make that for me? Or you can literally just paste the URL. And that's actually what I did over here. Again, just to show you what's possible, not because I'm saying you should do this. Don't do it. Don't steal anybody else's IP or designs. But all I did was say, hey, can you build me a new website for selling land and design it based on this template? And I dropped the link. So I didn't even give it a screenshot. I did, however, give it a special picture I wanted it to use that I got from Unsplash, which is a royalty-free place you can get, images and that kind of thing. And it basically built the same website with a similar look and feel with that image in the background. Now, again, I would never actually use this. There's a lot of stuff I would change about it, but the point is, if you see some other website out there where you just like the look and feel of it, you can grab a screenshot and tell it to design it based on that. Another example I'll show you is if you want to build a land selling website. So let's go ahead and click on this one. So this is actually the exact same prompt that I showed you a few minutes ago, and we're going to see what that one looks like. That's one thing you'll notice is that whenever you do this, it's not going to give you the exact same output every single time because there's variability in how it thinks. But this was the first iteration that it came up for me. And the cool thing is you don't have to just stick to a single page when you're building these things. And this is where it becomes particularly useful for a land selling website, because with selling websites, it's more of like a content management system because you've got the home page where you kind of advertise your business, but then you have pages for every individual listing that you create every time you have a new listing. And then you take them down and the things sell. So you're kind of making this big content library over time as the website changes. And this can totally handle that all day long. So you can see this is what the main page looks like. We've got a form down here. And we've got different listings here. And what I did here was when I wanted to create my first listing, I said, hey, that listing at the bottom, that little example you built, can you build a new standalone page for that listing and include all the normal information about the property that would normally be included in a land for sale listing? And whenever it builds a new page, it will add a new URL right here, and we can go and see what that looks like. So here we've got it here. We can see the different images, and this thing is gorgeous. We've got a little map down here, pretty much all the stuff you would ever want to have in a listing. And the thing is, if you see that it didn't include everything you want, then just tell it to add it. Say, hey, I want to add another little element on the page. I want to add 10 more pictures to the listing. I want to add a place for a video. Whatever it is you want to put in there, just tell it and it'll do it. I mean, I'm not joking when I say this is easier than it has ever been before. I can pretty much guarantee this is better than whatever else you're currently using. And at $0 extra for each additional website you build, it's hard to beat that price. Again, only if you are a Stride CRM user. So I can tell you, if your website has ever been a pain point, it doesn't need to be a pain point anymore. This is going to be the easiest solution you've ever come up with. And one last thing I'll point out is that sometimes people are kind of worried about SEO, rightfully so, because they want their website to get discovered. And SEO is built right into this. All you have to do once this thing is published is go over here and click on settings and then go over here to SEO. And I can't currently flip this on because this website is not published, but once it's published, you just turn this on and it will comprehensively scan everything on your website to make sure that the metadata is correct, the meta titles are optimized, that the preview images are showing correctly when you share it on Facebook or wherever you want to post the thing. I mean, this is like truly the best thing out there. I don't know why you wouldn't want to check it out. What are you waiting for? Come and sign up for Stride, give it a try. I'll tell you, even if you want to build websites for other people, say if you want to label yourself as a web designer, you kind of can now because it's that easy. As long as you know how to articulate what you want, you can create as many websites as you want, and they're all going to be pretty awesome. And I can tell you, I'm even planning to redesign parts of REtipster.com using this. So back when I came up with the current design for REtipster, which I think was in 2018, was when I hired an agency to build a great WordPress theme for me. It's been great, but I paid over $50,000 for that over the years of creating it and then maintaining it. And honestly, I could do a lot of that for $0 now with what we have available in Stride CRM. So this is a huge innovation. And I'll also say, without getting too much into it here in this video, because it's sort of a separate thing, but you can build a lot more than just websites with this. I think websites is like the most obvious use case, but say if you wanted to just build like a really good looking form for your existing website, well, you can do that too. You don't have to have a whole website. Like, this is a nice little form I just put together. All I said was, hey, please build me a form with these questions. And I put the questions in there. And there we go. You could also use this to build like web apps, or say if you wanted like a really cool functional calculator to embed on your website. You can do all that stuff and it's all going to look great because that's what this is designed to do. Oh, by the way, let's just check on that website I decided to build. So there you go. Pretty similar thing. And I'll tell you, like, it's possible to come up with just massive prompts with tons and tons of detail in order to do this. And you can, but you don't have to. I mean, look at this. I literally just kind of spat it out and this is what it made for me. Anyway, I'm planning to make some more videos about this in the days and weeks to come to show you more about what this can do, but just wanted to make this quick video to let you know this is here now and it's a huge deal. So if you're already in Stride, be sure to check this out. Feel free to overhaul your existing websites and make them a lot better in a matter of minutes with this tool. If you're looking for your first website, this is also an amazing solution for that. And don't forget, you can make as many as you want at no extra cost, and it's built into your CRM. That's a huge deal. You don't have to cobble together a bunch of different tools that are already overpriced and disconnected. It's all in one place. So anyway, if you want to check out Stride CRM, just go to stridecrm.co, and that's where you can get started. Thanks for watching. Talk to you again soon.